We hear all the time that we need to be healthy. What does that mean? Is it exercising? Drinking water instead of soda? Eating your vegetables? Well, the answer is yes, yes, and yes. But the most important aspect of health is found in what we eat. The food we eat provides us with the necessary vitamins, minerals, and caloric nutrients, aka energy, needed to make our bodies function properly, which in turn leads to good health. Good health is central to handling stress and living a long and active life. So what should we eat? Let's start with the first color of the rainbow, red.
Agagad.
For example, red peppers contain vitamin C, folic acid, potassium, fiber, and beta-carotene. Tomatoes have vitamin C, potassium, folate, iron, and fiber. Orange.
Kui urakad.
Apricots have vitamins A and C, fiber, potassium, iron, calcium, silicon, and phosphorus. Cantaloupe contains vitamins A and C and folate. Yellow.
Urakad.
Bananas have potassium, fiber, vitamins B6, C, and A. Lemons contain vitamin C, iron, calcium, and fiber. They are also low in sodium and calories. Green.
Sagad.
Peas have vitamins A and C and fiber. Broccoli has vitamins K and C, chromium, folate, fiber, potassium, and beta-carotene, which are important antioxidants. Blue.
Bayasawagad.
Blueberries contain vitamins C and B6, potassium, fiber, and folate. Blueberries are a superfood. Purple.
Turgagad.
Purple cabbage has vitamins A, C, and B6, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Plums have vitamin A, calcium, iron, and dietary fiber. White.
Sagad.
Raw jicama contains vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and also small amounts of vitamin B, magnesium, copper, iron, and antioxidants. It is 90% water. Cauliflower has vitamin C, folate, and fiber. The health benefits found in fruits and vegetables are endless. Each color provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other nutrients that help build and sustain good health. As in all things, moderation is important. It is possible to have too much of a good thing. The daily recommended allowance is 5 a day.
Monogamy.
2 servings
Winey.
of fruit and 3 servings
Bainey.
of vegetables. And as you can see, there is a rainbow to choose from.
Pagoyak. Thank you.